Okay, good morning everyone. Today we start direct and inverse variation part 4 and from question number 5, because in last video already uploaded a video up to question number 4. Okay, so question number 5. A water tank has 2 inlets and 1 outlet. The inlets fill the tank in 30 minutes and 45 minutes respectively, and the outlet empties in it 30 minutes. How much time will it take to fill the tank if all the inlets and outlets are open? Okay, first of all we read the question. A water tank, this is a water tank, has 2 inlets, that means 2 holes to fill the water. Okay, and 1 outlet. Outlets means that water exists from the tank. Okay, the inlets fill the tank, that means the first inlet fill the tank in 30 minutes and second inlet fill the tank in 45 minutes. Clear? That means only 1 inlet is open, it fill the tank in 30 minutes. If only the second inlet is open, it fill the tank in 45 minutes, and the outlet empties, that outlet empties in its 30 minutes. If this one open, that it empty the whole tank in only 30 minutes. Clear? Again I repeat, if 1 inlet is open, it fill the tank in 30 minutes. Okay, if second inlet is open, it fill the tank in 45 minutes. If 1 outlet is open, that is empty the tank only in 30 minutes. Okay, so how much time will it take to fill the tank if all the inlets and outlets are open? If at a time first inlet, second inlet open and first 1 outlet is also open, then how much time it take to fill the tank? Clear? Okay, so first inlet fill the tank in 30 minutes. Okay, so first inlet fill the tank in 1 minute equals to 1 by 30. Okay, second inlet fill the tank in 45 minutes. So second inlet fill the tank in 1 minute equals to 1 upon 45. Okay, outlet empty the tank in 30 minutes. So outlet empty the tank in 1 minute equals to 1 upon 30. If they work together, because at a time the all inlets and outlets are open. So if all outlet and inlets are open, so it's 1 by 30 plus 1 by 45, because the two start working together, and this also empty the tank, but that means this getting plus because they fill the tank and this empty the tank. So this one getting plus and this one getting minus. So 1 by 30, 1 by 30 plus and minus, cut it down. So what we get, only 1 by 45. That means time taken to fill the tank equals to, reciprocate that is 45 minutes. Clear? Note. Question number 7. A can complete a piece of work in 3 days. B and A together can finish the same piece of work in 2 days. How many days does B take to complete the work alone? Okay, read the question. A can complete a piece of work in only 3 days. B and A, if they work together, can finish the same piece of work in 2 days. How many does B takes to complete the work alone? If B wants to do the work alone, then how many days he need? Okay, so first of all we write A can complete a piece of work in 3 days. A one day work equals to 1/3. Clear? A and B work together in 2 days. A and B one day work equals to 1/2. If B wants to complete the work alone, that means this is A work, A one day work, and this is A and B work together 1 day. Okay, so from this, that means from together, if we subtract single one, that is from A plus B, we minus A, because A plus B work together and A do alone. If A cancel, we get the B work. So A and B 1 day work minus A 1 day work. Clear? 6, 3 minus 2, that is 1/6. Okay, so B takes to complete the work alone equals to, reciprocate, that is 6 days. Clear? Note. Okay, it's time for review time. review time, MCQ question, that is multiple choice questions. Okay, so first question is, which is the simple ratio of 320 by 80 question mark, and the option is given 4:1, B 3:4, C 2:3, and D 1:4. So 320 by 80, 0 0 cut it down, 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. So the answer is 4:1. Which is the option? Which one? Option A. Clear? Question number 2. What is the value of x in 30 by 80 is equals to 30x by 80 question mark. What is the value of x in 30 by 80 and 30x by 80? Option is 10, B3, C4, D1. Okay, calculate. That is 30 by 80. These 80 is in division portion. When it's cross multiply, it's come into multiplication, and this is upper, then comes in denominator portion, is equals to x. 80 80 cut it down, 30 30 cut it down, 1. So the value of x is 1. So the option is D. Clear? Question number 3. Find the value of x in 21 by 49 is equals to 3 upon x. Option given 4, B 8, C 7, and D equals to 1. Okay. So 21 by 49 equals to 3 upon x. So x multiply this, that is 21 into x equals to 49 into 3. Therefore x equals to 49 into 3 by 21. 7 3 ja 7 7 ja 3 3 cancel down. X equals to 7. Which is the option? Option C. Okay. Question number 6. If the cost of 3 books is rupees 30, find cost of 1 book. Okay. A rupees 30, B rupees 10, C rupees 1, D rupees 3. Clear? So cost of 3 book equals to rupees 30. So cost of 1 book equals to 30 by 3, that is 10. So our answer is B. Okay, note. Okay, MCQ question number 7. Raj and Neha have 6 and 4 stamps respectively. Express their collection in ratio. Option is 1:2, option B 6:4, option D 3:2, option C and option D is 2:1. So Raj and Neha have 6 and 4 stems. Express their collection the ratio. So when you cut it down, we get 3:2. So the answer is C, 3:2. Clear?